Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to pay Virginia estimated tax online. So how you can pay Virginia tax online very easily. You have to just go to Google and search for Virginia tax here and click on the first link. And once you're here, basically you have to visit this website, and once you are in the Virginia tax website and log in into your individual account service account. If you don't have an account, you will need to enroll first. So as you can see here on the top right, there's the option of login. So here, once you take your mouse to log in, you will see two options: individual account and business account. So depending upon whoever your account has, you can choose. For example, for me it's individual. I will go and check here individual. So once I've logged in, so to logged in, you have to enter all the information such as your credentials basically, and locate the option make an estimate payment. Right, so here let me just click on OK. I have to enter my email and password and click on login, and here I have to find the option of estimate payment on the account dashboard. Select the correct voucher number for the estimate tax payment you want to make. The voucher could be, for example, 1, 2, 3, or 4. Enter payment details, provide the required information such as the tax year, payment amount, and your bank account details for the direct debit payment. Carefully review the payment details and confirm the transaction. Right, you will receive a confirmation number upon successful completion. Alternatively, there's another way you can make a Virginia estimated tax payment using the 760 ES form. So how to get that? Let me show you. Just go to Google, type here 760 ES in capital, and just write here E form and hit the enter. Basically you will get this virginia.gov. This is the official website, and after that you will able to view this form here. This option does not require logging, but you can just download it directly and you can just fill up this all this information here. Right, so this is the thing, and this is very easy. And here I have also mentioned the estimated, basically some additional tips. Right, you can just go through it. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.